Hello, my name is Rebecca Hopkins, and I'm the Vice President of Learning at Western. I'm joined here by Amy Thornton, the Vice President of Student Service and Engagement. Amy and I wanted to tell you a little bit about some exciting changes with our academic calendar and the way we offer courses. For the past several years, we've been operating under a trimester calendar with 15-week terms in the fall, spring, and summer, and most programs offering a fall or spring start. What we're moving to, starting in the summer of 2024, is a 7-week delivery model, where we'll have 2 7-week sessions in the fall term, 2 7-week sessions in the spring term, and 2 7-week sessions in the summer term. That means that students will have the opportunity to start their education at additional points during the academic year, at times that might be more convenient.
By moving to 7-week sessions, full-time students will have the opportunity to enroll in up to 18 credits per term and earn an associate's degree in 2 years or less. And part-time students who may only be able to enroll in 2 courses at a time could earn 6 credits in the first 7 weeks, another 6 credits in the second 7 weeks, and then repeat that again in the following term. They would also have the opportunity to do the same thing in the summer term, giving them the chance to earn 36 credits in an academic year.
We know you have questions, and we've created an FAQ section on our website to help answer those questions. And as we finalize the details over the coming weeks, we will share more information. Current students should continue to watch your Western email and the student portal for updates. Your college advisor will reach out to help you register and will make sure that your academic plan works for you. If you're considering Western and would like more information, our admissions coaches are ready to help. Thank you for your interest in learning about Western and the move to 7-week sessions. We really look forward to serving students in this new, flexible format that is focused on student success.